This video is to show the Case IH 1210 planter with the Pioneer Equipment Lister conversion package installed. As you can see here, the planter is a rigid 8 rows. We can also do 12 rows, but for today's video we'll just do an 8 row. The first thing you'll notice is on the single arm gauge wheels, we have come in and we have added some brackets and a ratchet jack assembly so that you can get an absolute adjustability of the gauge wheel to set your height. Moving on to the row unit, on the parallel linkage on each side of the row unit, we install a solid steel plate to lock the row unit rigid. Then the double disc openers and the gauge wheels are both removed, and a special shank holder is installed on the main frame of the planter so that to hold a 1 1/4 by 3 shank. There's a series of holes which is almost impossible to show, but if you can maybe see that right there, there's a series of holes. Those are used to set the height, the planting depth. Then we install a standard Lister bottom on there. Moving back from there, we have the patented Case IH firming point, and then the seed tube that drops the seed behind it. And finally, we normally finish it off with a set of Yarbrough closers. You may also run the standard case closing system in lieu of the Yarbrough closers, and either one work equally well in different soil conditions. The planting depth is controlled by the relationship between the firming point and the bottom of the sweep. So to change your seed depth, you go up or down on the Lister bottom, and that controls how much soil is over the top of the seed. Then once you get the seeding depth itself established, then you raise or lower the entire machine using the gauge wheels to get down to moisture and set up your ridges or your beds the way you want them to see. Overall, that's kind of the highlights of a 1210 planter with a Pioneer conversion package on it. If you have any more questions, please feel free to call us at 956-585-1696 or visit our website at www.pioneerequipmentrgv.com.